I know you're shocked, but we're making more muffins. You could also add fruit or raisins, cranberries, blueberries, raspberries, nuts, pecans, or walnuts. Today we're making oatmeal muffins. So there's no flour, they're gluten-free, but they're really wholesome. The main ingredients are eggs, banana, oats, your seasoning, your leavener, and the golden nuggets, chocolate chips. So they'll taste like dessert, but they're gonna be good for you too. So grease or line your muffin tin, set that aside, and one comment on the recipe I'm using, which I'll link that recipe down below, one comment said that they used muffin liners and the muffins stuck to the liners. We'll see how it goes. I'll be your guys' guinea pig. So the first thing we're gonna do is mix our eggs and our banana. So today I'm using 2 flax eggs. Doesn't matter, you can use chicken eggs, that's just fine. And then we're gonna have 1 mashed banana. So my flax egg is just finishing up doing its flax egg thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and mash the banana. I have my mashed banana, and the riper the banana you have, the better, because it'll bring more natural sweetness to your muffins. I'm gonna give my flax egg just one more moment, and I'm going to add in our brown sugar. So we need a 1/2 cup of light or dark brown sugar. Let's mix that in. And then let's go ahead and mix in our flax eggs, or 2 chicken eggs. And the egg just helps bind our mixture together. So to that, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So we'll mix all that together. Now we're going to add 3 cups of oatmeal. And I have old-fashioned oats. Now, our wet ingredient that our recipe calls for is 1/2 and 1/2, and by all means, go for it. Add that 1/2 and 1/2. It's gonna bring a nice rich flavor to the muffins, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna go with milk. So if you don't have 1/2 and 1/2, just use milk. And we'll be adding 1 cup. Give it all a stir. Make sure you're scraping your sides down. And the star of the show, chocolate chips. Now we're going to be adding 1 cup. And I was just shy of 1 cup in my chocolate chip container, so I have to be sure that we top that off. We can't skimp out on the chocolate. Fold in your chocolate chips. You could also add fruit instead, or raisins, cranberries, blueberries, raspberries, nuts. You could do like pecans or walnuts. Or you could do like half and half. You could do half of a cup of chocolate chips, half of a cup of pecans, or half of a cup of chocolate chips, half a cup of raspberries. Have fun with it. All right, you don't really have to worry about over mixing this. It's not, since there's no flour, it's not like we're going to be building gluten if we over stir. So stir to your heart's content, I guess. All right, so we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees, if I hadn't mentioned that. And I'm going to take a 1/4 cup measuring spoon and use that as my guide to how much to put in our muffin tins. So I still have quite a bit. Well, I wouldn't say quite a bit. I probably have 2 muffins left. 2 muffins worth left in there. So I'm going to top off all of our muffins. All right, so once you have all of your batter allocated to its assigned tin, we're going to pop these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown. The directions also say until they are golden brown and no longer wiggle, which I think is cute. So I'll catch you all back here when it's time to check to see if they still wiggle. Wow. Okay, it's been just over 20 minutes. Let's try out that wiggle test. Well, I mean, they're not raw and they're relatively firm. They're gonna be kind of squishy just because there's a lot of moisture in there from the banana, and I'm gonna put mine in for just a couple more minutes. Alrighty, that's a little better. A little more firm in the middle, and they've gotten a little more golden. And they smell so good. The chocolate and the cinnamon is shining through right now. That wonderful aroma. Now the recipe says to wait 45 minutes for these to set up. And a lot of that is because there's no flour, it's just oatmeal. And oatmeal needs time to absorb all the liquid into it. So be patient, wait those 45 minutes for them to cool off and absorb everything that it needs to. And I'm just gonna leave mine right in the muffin tin. So I'll see you guys back here in a second and we'll give these a try. Are you guys ready to try it out? Got me a little cup of tea here. A little bit of stickage to my muffin liner, but not bad. I'd say that's not too terribly bad. Look at that there. It's like a little oatmeal cake. Let's give it a try. See, it's set up really nice. It's not falling out all over the place. Ooh, look at that gooey chocolate in there. That is what I'm here for. Wow, that is satisfying. It's chewy from all that oatmeal we have in there, and it's hearty, This is going to be perfect for a quick snack or breakfast on the go. What you could do is pop these in the freezer, and if you need a quick breakfast, take out 1 or 2 or 3 or however many you want, defrost them in the microwave, and off you go. Super hearty, super filling breakfast, or just a quick snack. You guys are gonna have to give these a try. And I love the versatility. So we made ours more like a dessert with the chocolate in there, but like I said, fruit or nuts or a mixture. I tell you what, give these a try. I think these are gonna become a staple. And even if you're a person who's like, I don't like oatmeal, I don't care for oatmeal, and you're talking about like a bowl of oatmeal in the morning, give these a try. Totally different texture. If you make these, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you added in there. Did you just do chocolate chips, or did you switch it up a little bit? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button and that bell, and I'll see you guys next time.